searching for things.
Searching for things.
Whatever it is you want. I'm going to search for Frank Sinatra.
How do you go back to home? And,
Hit that little
then,
house down the bottom.
Yeah.
So once you,
So what are you guys going to search for?
I've got to fix my toilet that runs.
The toilet?
It'll be there.
How to clog a
How to fix that flapper thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It goes, has a tube in it.
Yep.
I don't know what to call that though.
Yeah, it was 6 o'clock in
You
the
have
morning
a-
trying to figure out how
A
to,
dual,
my Keurig said.
a dual
we
flush
need legal
toilet,
maintenance.
so sometimes you
The
can
only
just
thing I
do
wanted
a
to
quick
No,
flush.
it's not. It's,
My
but
husband
it's
was
got
still
instead of
asleep,
a.
and I pulled
Yeah,
it
I know
out.
What are you searching for?
I just,
My YouTube
a
figure
guy
out
that
how
I
to
used to
that
love to listen to, Ivory Joe Hunter. I
Who?
just Ivory Joe Hunter. Have you ever heard? You have to be a million years old to
No,
remember
that's
him.
awesome. So you found it. So good. There'll be stuff on there.
Flush toilet there.
Who are you? What are you searching for? What are you going to search for?
Well, I was looking up Ronald McDonald House.
Okay. Yeah. Ronald McDonald House. I wonder when that started. Years ago, huh?
The one that I volunteered started in
Sure.
79.
Awesome.
We got two of them.
Oh, I know. And they redid it. They did it. It's beautiful now. The one.
Both of them.
Good.
51 and 31 in the other.
What are you searching?
I'm actually just looking at, is it Navarre Beach? I've never been there. And my daughter's going with a friend and their family for spring break.
Cool.
So I wasn't familiar.
Cool.
Yeah.
What are you searching for?
bridge because I play bridge.
Yeah, and there'll be tons of videos on how to beat your opponents. That's right. What are you looking up, sir? What are you looking for?
Double casting.
What was it? What is it called?
Double hauling.
Okay, that's a fishing term.
Yes.
It's called double what?
Hauling. H-A-U-L.
Okay, cool. Did you find anything?
I did.
I bet you found a ton.
I did.
Yeah, well, neat.
Filmed something else.
You're gonna learn something new. Well, that's awesome.
It was simple. But